just simply fascinated how long these trains are. That's just incredible. Happy hump day. It is Wednesday. Steel Horse is reading 74 degrees and we've got 8:25 Central Standard Time. Started. Everyone, just a quick pop in here. Been kind of quiet all day today. Nothing really to video, cutting across through the Dalhart, Texas, and Oklahoma, through Hooker, and all that. And just not a lot to video. So been kind of a quiet day today. We're 571 miles into it. We've got about another hour and a half to go, and we'll be at an oasis over on I-70, which we're currently on the tollway 35, rolling up to Topeka. And so all in all, just a quiet, mundane that's part of the deal with long haul trucking. There's long stretches of just nothing going on. You're just driving. So there's a nice little lake, rabbit hole, El Dorado Lake. That's what that's called. So, you know, kind of a pretty area down here in Kansas. Here on the tollway. So, oh, there's more of the lake. Sorry. Wow, it's on both sides. This lake kind of reminds me of if you look down in Oklahoma. And that's kind of cool. I'll bet you they got some nice bass out there. this lake kind of reminds me. It's a smaller version of it, but this lake kind of reminds me of. I don't exactly know how they pronunciate it, but it's down by McAllister, Oklahoma, down on. Oh, what the heck is that? 60. Trying to think. Brain fart. It's the end of the day. I only got another hour to go. But it's Eufaula, Eaufaula, Eufaula, Oklahoma. Really nice, big, giant lake down there with the dead tree sticking up out of it. That would probably be awesome, like serious bass fishing. Probably some smallies in there. Because I think, what is it, Table Rock Lake down in southern Missouri. I think it's called Table Rock Lake or something like that. It's got some world class smallies down there. So yeah, talking fishing now. Maybe my mind is wandering. So, but all in all, everyone, we're having a quiet day. Haven't really shown a lot of footage because it was just, we got some good morning shots of the morning where some really nice good cloud cover. No, that would be New Mexico where we started. So, but we're looking at give or take. We'll end up with somewhere around 650 or so, close to 700 miles on the day. So, but, so yeah. Quick, goofy question. I was looking at some of the, on YouTube, you can look in there and kind of see how many drive-bys, roughly. You can see how many people are actually subscribers, how many subscribers watch, and how many non-subscribers watch. And it also, I don't know how they do this with you guys unless they got all our information anyway, age brackets and stuff. So, and different countries that people are watching from, which is kind of unique and different. So it's amazing how much they know, as the Matrix would say. But I know some of my regular subscribers aren't into trucking, but some of you younger individuals that are watching, are you guys looking to become truck drivers or wondering what it's like? Because this is not an easy field to do. It's not as easy just get behind the wheel and go. It takes a lot of practice, a lot of, I don't want to say practice, but I know when I came over from doing hot asphalt oil back to doing long haul, I had to retrain my body I had to condition it to get used to just sit behind the wheel and drive. I mean, it takes a little bit of time to do that. So, because I also do not drive with cruise control. My cruise control is a size 11 shoe. Well, in my case, I don't wear shoes while I'm driving. Just saying, I'm comfortable. Shoes are close by if I get pulled in somewhere. But yeah, so, but I was just kind of curious if anybody's, because I don't want, maybe I can throw some content in there, what a long haul driver is expected, because we get put, like right now, I did not want to get out of bed. I'll just be transparent on that. Getting up this morning and starting, when that alarm went off, I did not want to roll out of bed, because the part of trucking that people don't understand is you also are dealing with elevation changes. It's like every day is a jet lag day, or can be. You're dealing with elevation. Because like right now, let's see, I'm only at 1,397 feet. I started the morning off at like 6,000. So all day long you're progressively moving down, and your body's getting heavier, because the lower you are, the heavier your body is. The higher elevation, you stay the same weight, but you don't feel the oppression from gravity pushing down on you as hard as you do when you're at sea level. Sea level, the force on your body is a lot greater than the force at 6,000 foot. That's why baseball fields and stuff that are at higher elevation, that's why that baseball can just fly, just sail, go, because it has less resistance from gravity. And then you're also starting with 2 different time zones. I'm back now on Central Standard, which is my time zone anyway, but started at Pacific time this morning. So I've lost 2 hours of my day. So that takes a toll on your body. So it's like you're always living in a constant state of jet lag. And climate change, I mean, it was 59 this morning. Put my hoodie on to go use the facilities there at Klein. I'm literally drawing a blank. Klein's Corner, yeah. And now I'm sitting here. It's like 95. So yeah. But anyway, enough of that. I just wanted to pop in today and say we haven't forgot about you guys. We're just rolling quietly. Didn't really feel that there was much to really gravitate and grab. Took almost 4 minutes to get around a train today. One train. So, but yeah. All right, guys. Well, on that, I'll get back to you when we get to the Oasis and call it a day. Wrap up the day. We'll do a post trip and then make our delivery in Woodbury, Minnesota tomorrow, and then go home. We're done. All right, guys. God bless. Love you. And as always, I'll get back to you. There it is, guys. We're done for the day. We're at an Oasis here in just outside of Lawrence, Kansas. That's 70 over there on the turnpike. So this is a service plaza. We're gonna get out and do a makeshift walk around. Make sure we're still good. Beat on a couple of tires. Haven't walked you guys around in a while on a post trip. We just look for the obvious on the post trip. Yep. Don't make these very wide. I mean, there's the line right there. Boom. Can't even hardly see it. Not a big fan of this one. He's on the line, as you can see. But Alright guys. Oh, there's the walk around. There's a really nice, that's a brand new one. I'm not liking those sensors, that round circle right there. Not a big fan of those. That's that lane assist crap. Yeah, I said crap. But it is a pretty truck. I'll give you that. He's probably also got the sensor in the front bumper. Nope, he's just got the side. He doesn't have the lane assist, so but yeah, we're gonna get back up there tomorrow. We'll make our delivery. As I walk around a little bit out here. But yeah, if any of you guys are thinking about becoming drivers or whatever, you got to count the cost. It's there's something over there I wanted to show you guys. I don't think I can get it. It's like this, I don't know what the heck it is. I don't know if it's like a red, white, blue Jayhawk thing or something. I'm not exactly sure what that thing is. Oh well. But yeah, you definitely got to count the cost. I'm going to climb back in the truck. It's actually kind of, it's not too bad. But yeah, you just got to count the cost if you're coming out here. There's so many different things that they don't teach you in school, like how to put up with, well, like how to, it's not so much train your body, but like right now, I got done at 5 o'clock Central Standard Time. Okay, try to get you guys out of some of that sunlight. And 3 o'clock tomorrow morning, because you take a 10-hour break. Try to cut some of that sun out a little bit. Somebody hollering back over there. I know it's not me. I'm parked. I'm done. But you take a 10-hour break, and then not all drivers, and it depends on your schedule and how you operate and how you run. The way this old boy does, if you're going to try to maintain 3,500 to 4,000 miles a week, you're not shutting down too much, especially if you're a solo driver. It relies on you operate 11-hour drive clock in a 14-hour shift. You can turn the 11 off, but the 14 continues. There's so many different variables in there. I don't want to confuse anybody, but you can only run 11 hours, as they would say, a day. But if you're a guy like me, if you start at midnight, you run 11 hours. If all it is a driving day, you try to shut your clock off before 12 hours. That's consisting of a 11-hour drive, half-hour break, maybe a fuel in there if you need one, and then you shut her down. So theoretically, you take a 10-hour break, you can still run a few more hours in same said day. Most truck drivers don't do that. It's way hard on your body. That's part of trucking that they don't teach you. Plus all kinds of other stuff that spouses got to understand. I'll just put that in another vlog. I don't want to go too long on that one, but you definitely got to count the cost. there's tolls on your body that they don't teach you. It's just, you learn it as you go along. So, all right, guys, well, we've wrapped up tonight. We've got dinner cooking in the crock pot. We're going to be back up in the cities, Twin Cities, by tomorrow. From here, it's about a 7-hour drive. We'll stop and fuel, try to get a fuel in and get up to the delivery. I don't know, to make it easier, I'll probably take a half-hour break while I'm fueling. Just because if they don't take a half hour while I'm unloading, then I gotta sit there. And this place is around the corner. It's a brand new Amazon that I'm going to, that's being built up the street from where I park my truck. So, all right, guys, on that, God bless. I love you guys, and as always, leave me a question down below if you got any curiosity questions about driving or any of that type of stuff. Be glad to try to answer any questions that I can. On that, God bless. Love you. I'm out. I came back. I had to come and get this. This is way cool. Never seen a bed done like this before. This is way cool. Love the Heartland. I had to get this in here today. It kind of tickles my heart to see this. Uncle Sam Hawk by Wilson Leda? Winston Leda. Don't see that at a McDonald's all the time. Yep. Alright, guys, on that, as always, Lord willing, I'll see you guys tomorrow.